To tell you about my black and white class that's coming up. It's black and white with a pop of color, is what I'm calling it. The stamp set that I have used is the Mini Thoughts, and but I know that some of you have stamp sets that would be perfect for these cards. So it's totally optional whether or not to buy that. But let me show you the cards that we're doing. I'm just going to lay them out here. This one is a unique fold as well, a fun fold as well. Is that beautiful? I think so. This one, I will cut the DSP for you, but this is the only one that I'll cut the DSP on. So the rest of them, you'll cut that yourself, but this one is different. So, and guys, look, the envelope just makes it, that's 2.5 inches by 6 inches, and you cut it off, trim it around, and it's great. Okay, so this is the next one, a happy birthday card. This one, and I wanted to tell you, this ribbon will not be red. It will be the silver. So on all of these cards, you could change. The only one you couldn't change is this one because it's got the red around it. But if you have a piece of paper, cardstock, that's your favorite color, you can cut that and place it there. And you could use any color on these cards. So you could do it with a pop of orange, a pop of yellow, whatever color you love. So there are 7 cards here, and you'll get enough product to make 14 cards total, 2 of each one. And then you will also get, I'm sliding off there, you'll also get enough that you'll have plenty to make more. So, and black and white is so easy, and it's just amazing. So if you're not registered yet, registration closes on Sunday, the 14th of February at 12 o'clock, 12 noon. So make sure you get registered. You can go to my blog to register at stampwithdeb.com. I will put it's not on there yet, but I will put on this afternoon a link for the black and white class. You'll see a post for the black and white class. And